All right. Okay. So, Kader, you don't remember? Okay. So, I really wonder that in the midterm examination, I gave you questions from this. All right. Can I ask Suleiman? Suleiman, will you please tell me 2 strategies I taught you? Oral, intensive, extensive, and silent reading के अलावा हमने 2 और चीजें की हैं. In the reading part, can you just tell me what are they? अच्छा, so Suleiman, you are not with us. आप connected हैं, लेकिन आप यहाँ मौजूद नहीं हैं, I guess. All right. Okay. You are here? All right. So, yeah. So, can you tell me 2 strategies that we have done? Okay. Other students can write in the chat box if you want to contribute. All right. Ishrat is saying is scanning and skimming. Yes, you are right. Okay. So I think that many of you have forgotten this, that scanning and skimming, there are 2 strategies that we employ for reading comprehension part. All right. Achha, one type of the reading that I would like to just teach you, which is very small, is analytical reading. Okay, so let me share my screen. All right. I think new students have joined, so let me take their attendance screenshot.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam.
Yes.
Okay, Ji. So let me share my screen. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So analytical reading, I would like to know what is your understanding about analytical? आपको क्या समझ में आता है when we hear the word analytical? What do you understand? Or how do you define analysis? Analysis का word भी हम बड़ा use करते हैं. Any ideas? Write in the chat box. Right.
Hello, ma'am. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम. Yes, please.
मैम एनालिसिस का ये होता है कि हम किसी चीज को डिफाइन करते हैं प्रॉपरली, जैसे किसी चीज को डिटेल में बताया जाए. तो मैम मेरे जहन में तो ये आता है कि हम किसी चीज को डिफाइन करें.
Okay, fine, fine. Good response.
Yes,
एनालिटिक का मतलब होता है मतलब कि कोई चीज मतलब कि उसकी रीजन मतलब कि बताना.
Okay, reasoning.
Analyze करना. Yes.
Analyze. All right. Acha, Sanam is saying summary. Okay, so fine. Sanam is saying summary, and Shabana has written something, search something. All right. All right. So what is analytical reading? Acha, सबसे पहले हम we will learn about what is analysis. या analytic approach, या analytical reading, या analysis के meaning क्या होते हैं? All right. So let's talk about it. Basically, जब हम analysis का word use करते हैं, all right, it means that breaking down the information into its components. जब हम किसी चीज को analyze करते हैं, so what we do, हम उसको different parts में क्या कर देते हैं, divide कर देते हैं. Okay, like if something is material, all right, or a furniture that you are analyzing, Ishrat is saying identify, all right. Let me give you an example. कि आपके घर में कोई a part of a furniture है, all right, or maybe a desk or a table, all right. So if you want to analyze it, how it is made of and what it is made of, or if you have a chair, all right, जिसको आप analyze करेंगे, so what will you do? You are going to separate its part, all right. You will first see कि उसकी जो legs हैं, they are metallic, अब उसमें कौन सा metal use किया गया है, और they are wooden, all right. और इसका जो sometimes we have chair like जिसमें हम cushion रखा हुआ होता है, there is a cloth involved in it, तो आप उसके एक एक part को अलग से analyze करते हैं. Similarly, if you are analyzing a desk, तो आप उसके स्ट्रक्चर पे बात करेंगे, उसकी साइज पे बात करेंगे, उसके कलर पे बात करेंगे. So analysis का मतलब होता है breaking down the information into its components and examining the relationship with these parts and the whole. Okay. अच्छा, reading context में जब हम देखते हैं, like first let me bringing it to the simple furniture, we can say yes, simple furniture, but हर चीज के एक चीज है आपके पास, like mobile phone है, ठीक है. अब if I ask you to analyze mobile phone, so what you are going to do, आप उसके हर पार्ट को सेपरेट करेंगे. You are going to take out its battery, you are going to talk about its camera function, ठीक है. तो आप उसका कलर, उसका साइज, each and everything will be separately discussed analysis में. All right. अच्छा, रीडिंग पे जब हम इसको लेकर आते हैं, when we talk about yes how is it made of, all right. जब हम रीडिंग में इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट को यूज करते हैं, रीडिंग एनालिसिस और एनालिटिकल रीडिंग, इट मीन्स दैट इफ यू आर रीडिंग अ पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन और एन आर्टिकल, जब आप उसको रीड कर रहे हैं, so you are just not reading for sake of reading. Okay, कि आपने उसको you just read it once and okay it is done. ये तो एक्सपेंसिव रीडिंग में बेस्ट है, कि अगर आप कोई भी चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, यू पिक द न्यूज़पेपर, यू रीड इट एंड आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट रैप इट एंड कीप इट देयर. जब हम इंटेंसिव रीडिंग की बात करते हैं, कोई आर्टिकल, कोई टास्क, कोई असाइनमेंट आपको मिला है कि आपने किसी आर्टिकल को एनालाइज करना है, एंड दिस असाइनमेंट यू विल गेट इन 4th सेमेस्टर. अगर आप पोस्ट RN के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपको 3rd and 4th सेमेस्टर में आपका रिसर्च का एक टॉपिक होगा, उसमें आपको आर्टिकल क्रिटिक एंड आर्टिकल एनालिसिस दिया जाएगा. ऑलराइट. सो जब हम एनालिसिस या रीडिंग एनालिटिकल रीडिंग की बात करते हैं, इट इज नॉट जस्ट वन टाइम रीडिंग, इट इज रीडिंग इन डेप्थ. ऑलराइट. You read it once, then you read it again, and you bring you just break it down into its part. information को आप इसके हर पैराग्राफ, उसकी हर okay, analysis about every part of thing or wording. Yes, you are right, Shumaila. ठीक है, आप उसके हर पार्ट को, उसकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, उसमें हर पैराग्राफ में इंफॉर्मेशन को आप सेपरेटली एनालाइज करते हैं. अगर उसमें कोई लिटरेचर रिव्यू दिया हुआ है, उसमें कोई साइटेशंस दी हुई हैं, किसी और ऑथर का वर्क उसमें इन्वॉल्व है, ऑलराइट. तो आप उसको ओवरऑल उसके एक पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज करते हैं, ऑलराइट, एंड देन आप उसमें अपना भी इनपुट देते हैं. Okay, because you think critically. Please mute your mic. Who is talking? Anisa. Okay, you getting me? Okay, so analytical reading is just more than a reading. Okay, it's not just a reading, but it is academically. It is on purpose. It is the article critique, and it is a long process. Analytical reading. Simply, when we talk about critical thinking and critical reading skills, so in the class we discussed कि जब हम critical thinking की बात करते हैं, critical skills की बात करते हैं, it does not mean to criticize and finding the faults. Critical thinking does not mean finding the faults, but critical thinking is seeing through the problem and finding and identifying its solution. कि अगर आप कोई टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं that is about COVID-19, आप कोई आर्टिकल पढ़ रहे हैं that is COVID-19, and then article has highlighted some of the challenges that how this COVID-19 has changed the world, how it has brought a socio-economic disparity in the world in different groups and different segments of society. So when you are reading, at the same time you are critically thinking and analyzing the information, bringing it to your context. कि अगर एक आर्टिकल USA में किसी ने लिखा है about the COVID-19 implication and the challenges in the world, all right, in every segment of society, तो आप उसको contextualize करेंगे in the scenario and in the situation that we are facing in Pakistan. So फिर आप देखेंगे कि whatever the information that is presented in the article, how it relates to your context. आपके अपने कंट्री में आपका जो सोशल सेक्टर है, उसमें डेफिनेटली वी हैव नॉट द सेम, वी हैव सोशल डिस्पैरिटी. हमारे पास जो क्लास डिफरेंस है, जो सोशल डिस्पैरिटी है, जो सोशो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशंस हैं, दे आर नॉट सिमिलर. ऑलराइट, देयर वाज वन सेगमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी दैट वाज badly hit. Alright, those people who were on daily wages, they were badly hit. There were a lot of people who lost their jobs. A lot of these types of situations that also occurred in the US and in other parts of the world. तो आप उसको contextualize करेंगे, ठीक है? सो अच्छा, अब ये होगा कि अगेन लेट मी क्लियर दिस, रीडिंग वन टाइम इज जस्ट रीडिंग एंड कीपिंग इट असाइड, but analytical and critical reading is much more investing your thoughts, investing your ideas in it. Okay, अच्छा अली भाई मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में हूँ, प्लीज आप शोर ना करें। जी 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 जी, बट आई एम इन द ऑनलाइन क्लास, आप उनको आहिस्ता से बोलें प्लीज। ठीक है, अच्छा आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये एग्जाम्पल आपकी समझ में आई है, ठीक है। And two terms you need to understand. Analysis means breaking down the information. So analytical reading is not a one-time process of reading. It is like you are investing your thoughts, you are investing your time, and you are breaking down the information. और आप उसके ऊपर you can raise questions, you can contextualize the situation, and then bring about the solution. This is analytical reading, which is a kind of a reading that we did not discuss in the class, but I wanted you to know about it. Okay, I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you
Yes,
so much. Okay,
मैम
yeah, please, if you have any questions meanwhile, you can please ask me. No questions? Okay.
मैम क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग का थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आया मुझे अभी।
Sure. Okay. Critical thinking, wait a minute. We can go to next slide, or critical thinking को हम analyze. ठीक है, let's talk about this थोड़ा सा। Analytical reading is an approach that probes. अच्छा, probe is a word जो कि बहुत यूज होता है न्यूज़पेपर में भी। इसका मतलब है, probe का मतलब होता है investigate करना। All right, so you are learning a word and a vocabulary that is probe, and probe means investigate करना more deeply to understand the message and the goal of the piece you read. All right, आप उसको डीपली रीड एंड एनालाइज करते हैं, बिकॉज मे बी पर्पस ये है कि बाद में उस रीडिंग की जो फाइंडिंग्स हैं या उस रीडिंग से आपने आगे अपने फर्दर असाइनमेंट्स को कैरी ऑन करना होता है। सो एनालिटिकल रीडिंग इज रीडिंग एट मोर इंटेंस लेवल. It involves breaking down the ideas open and digging underneath their surface. I mean, you don't read it superficially that what is written, okay, it is written. You just dig it deeper. All right, आप underlying information को पढ़ रहे होते हैं. All right, it enables you to try to spot flaws in the writer's logic. All right, so most of the times ये होता है कि when you are critically analyzing the article or a piece of writing, all right, आप उसमें देखते हैं कि राइटर के क्या फ्लोज हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर रीडिंग अ रिसर्च आर्टिकल जिसमें एक राइटर है, जो उसका राइटर है, जो ऑथर है, उसने अपनी रिसर्च में इन्वॉल्व किया है 100 people from one community. All right, so उसके जो रिजल्ट्स होंगे वो इतने डाइवर्स नहीं होंगे बिकॉज आपकी ऑडियंस डाइवर्स नहीं है. So you would think that maybe if the writer had collected the responses from the wider audience and from people from different communities, so you would have more diverse data available. आपके पास ज्यादा अच्छा डेटा आता तो क्या आप उसको एनालाइज कर सकते. सो आप उसके फ्लोस को भी पॉइंट आउट करते हैं दैट इन दिस आर्टिकल और इन दिस रिसर्च इफ this was done, so it would have been better. अच्छा, promotes a comparison of the work to the other work. Yes, आप compare करते हैं that what has been done and what should be done. You should involve questioning the author and yourself. Ask question to yourself. Question everything. Do you think and believe that no question is a silly question? आपको पता है कि जब हम एक बच्चा जो होता है at the early stage, सबसे ज्यादा एक prominent quality of a child is that he or she asks a lot of questions. ठीक है, आप अपने चाइल्डहुड को जरा रिविजिट करें. आप सोचें अपने टाइम्स को कि जब आप छोटे थे तो आपके ज़हन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते थे. राइट, वी कुड सी द स्काई एंड वी कुड थिंक दैट हाउ बिग इट इज. वी कुड see around, we could see the tree and we could question that how is it standing so strong. ठीक है, हमारे जहन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. The problem and the tragedy is that as we grow or as a child grows up, उसकी जो क्वेश्चनिंग एबिलिटीज हैं उनको हम टोटली ऑब्लिटरेट कर देते हैं by not responding to them, or by negging them, like don't disturb us, don't ask questions. This can be from both the sides. Maybe parents, they are so bothered by the question the students are bringing in, or the teachers. All right, so हम क्या करते हैं, बच्चे की questioning abilities को हम क्या कर देते हैं, completely obliterate कर देते हैं, completely demolish कर देते हैं. The process of learning involves questioning. अगर आपके जहन में questions नहीं आ रहे हैं या आप question नहीं कर रहे हैं, so the possibility is that you would not learn anything. One of the major, you can say the components and the factors of education is to ask questions. ठीक है, तो आप question करते हैं, आपके जहन में questions raise होते हैं. No research, no finding, no invention is the final one. Remember, आप हर चीज को challenge करते हैं, आप existing information को challenge करते हैं. If you had, if it was not so, there weren't such inventions that we are now seeing in the world. ठीक है, अगर आप एक छोटा सा, आप अगर एक मोबाइल फोन that was invented and that we had some 10 or 12 years ago, अगर आप उसी को लेके बैठे रहते तो आज हम स्मार्टफोन, टच फोन वाली टेक्नोलॉजी पे ना आते. क्लियर? तो आपके क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल्स जो है वो बहुत मैटर करते हैं. क्वेश्चनिंग, नो क्वेश्चन इज अ सिली क्वेश्चन. डोंट एवर थिंक दैट ओ माय गॉड व्हाट पीपल वुड थिंक इफ वी आस्क द क्वेश्चन. तो आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं आपके जहन में क्वेश्चंस अराइज होने चाहिए. एंड इन अदर वर्ड्स, एक्टिव स्केप्टिसिज्म विद अ पर्पस. स्केप्टिसिज्म कहते हैं फाइंडिंग द रीजनिंग एंड द लॉजिक एंड ब्रिंगिंग अप द क्वेश्चंस. अब आते हैं हम उस सवाल की तरफ, द वन दैट यू वर आस्किंग. ये जिसने भी ये सवाल किया था, दैट इज व्हाट इज क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. अच्छा, द वर्ड क्रिटिकल हैज पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव मीनिंग. इट हैज बोथ द कॉनोटेशन. ठीक है. अच्छा, जब हम एकेडमिकली देखते हैं, in terms of academic, educational point of view, say academia describes your attitude when reading an article or a chapter. So being critical means weighing up the argument for and against a particular point. अच्छा, critical thinking क्या है? Critical thinking ये है कि आप जो है वो, for example, there is a problem, all right, that you are facing on the personal level or that your family is facing. ठीक है, exactly, thinking out of the box, or maybe your community is facing. ठीक है, अगर एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ पर पानी की शॉर्टेज है, एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, all right, so what is critical thinking? Critical thinking is to identify the causes of the problem. आपके जिंदगी में कोई मसला है, ठीक है, things are not working out, आपके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, आपके जॉब पे आपकी बॉस से नहीं बन रही है. There are so many problems that we face on the personal level, professional level, relationships में हम बहुत सारे problems face करते हैं. All right, so if you are facing any problem, critical thinking क्या होगी कि आप उस problem को सबसे पहले तो उसके core को identify करें कि what is the cause of the problem, उसका background क्या है. Then think about that what could be the possible solutions and which solution can be the best. Or the one word, I think if you remember, मैंने आपको क्लास में एक एक्टिविटी करवाई थी, डॉट वाली एक्टिविटी. ऑल राइट, कनेक्ट द डॉट्स, 9 dots through 3 lines. ठीक है, इट मीन्स कि जब तक आप एक बॉक्स के अंदर होते हैं, आपकी सोच एक बॉक्स के अंदर होती है और आप उस बॉक्स से बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं, आप आगे नहीं बढ़ते हैं. ऑल राइट, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इज थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप वो करें जो कि नॉट कन्वेंशनल, which is not traditional? आप कोई ऐसी इन्वेंशन करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप में से कोई स्टार्ट करना चाहता है यूट्यूब चैनल. अब आप ये सोचें कि ओके, यूट्यूब चैनल, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज क्रिएटिंग अ यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर लाइक मे बी सेलिब्रिटीज और मे बी technical side of the channel, technical side, mobile reviews. There are a lot of YouTube channels. You think what could strike the audience? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो अब तक किसी ने नहीं की है? ऐसा कौन सा टॉपिक है जो कि अभी तक हाईलाइट नहीं हुआ? या if you do this, this can be a hit thing. All right, so critical thinking is not conventional thinking that कि जो होता आ रहा है वही करते जाओ. अगर हम वही करते जाएंगे जो कि होता आ रहा है, तो आपको वही मिलता रहेगा जो कि आपको मिलता रहा है. If you want to achieve more, think out of the box. Okay, So critical thinking does not mean seeing the negative aspects of something. अगर आप किसी मुसीबत में हैं, आप किसी परेशानी में हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप किसी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम में हैं, सो इफ यू आर सेल्फ पिटिंग योर सेल्फ, you know, you are always miserable that, oh my God, what has happened to me, and you are just hitting the hammer and beating the line, that's not going to solve your problem. Think critically that if I have 10,000 rupees of investment, what should I do with this 10,000 rupees so that I can at least survive financially. Okay? जितने भी businesses हैं वो critical thinking पे operate करते हैं. दुनिया में जितनी भी technology है, it is the result of critical thinking. क्योंकि critical thinking is about new idea. All right? So I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. किसने सवाल किया था ये?
सलमा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I appreciate that. Thank you.
मैम मैंने किया था.
Great job. Thank you so much. Comfort zone से बाहर सोचना होगा. Farooq, exactly. You know, हम most of the times what we do, that we think in a way ताकि हमारे comfort zone को कोई challenge ना. All right? So stop share. Okay. So this was one type of the reading that I wanted to draw your attention towards. जिसका भी mic on है, please इसको off कर दें. आपके background पे बहुत noises हैं. Whose mic is on? Bakhtavar. I don't have to be telling you this again and again. Okay. So that was critical thinking. Okay. Attendance. Out of 40, only 25 students have joined. Today, I'm going to share your result to the principal. Okay. Now, let's begin. Some topics that we have in the curriculum, और उसको हम करेंगे skimming and scanning. All right. So we are going to have a quiz about skimming and scanning, and I would like you to post your Sikandar, which result? Sikandar, which result you are talking about?
मैम अभी आपने बोला ना कि मैं रिजल्ट्स शो कर रही हूँ प्रिंसिपल को, तो काइंडली हमें बता सकते हैं हमारे मार्क्स?
हाँ बेटा, मैं रिजल्ट में मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस शो कर रही हूँ.
मैम अच्छा सॉरी मैम, मुझे लगा रिजल्ट की बात हो रही है.
अच्छा अब ठीक है, अब कोई और बोलना चाह रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. फारूक, इज इट यू?
मैम ये आपने जो लिखा है क्वेश्चन का व्हाट इज स्कैनिंग, इसका जो होगा क्विकली रीडिंग ओवर नेक्स्ट टू फाइंड सम, इसका आंसर ये होगा.
अच्छा बेटा, अभी हम क्विज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ना. ठीक है, जस्ट वेट, मैं इसको स्क्रीन पे लेकर आऊं. ऑलराइट, इज इट ओके नाउ एवरीबॉडी? कैन यू सी दिस?
यस.
ऑलराइट.
यस मैम.
चलें, ओके.
यस मैम.
नाउ व्हाट इज स्कैनिंग? ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू कि हम ए, बी और सी को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. दिस साइड इज ए, आई मीन माय लेफ्ट साइड. Quickly reading over a text to get some general gist, ये A है. Quickly reading over a text to find some specific information is B, and taking the time to understand the whole text is C. So write in the chat box. All right. B. Shumaila is B. Ismail is saying B. All right. Shabana B. All right. Salma is saying A. Scanning. ठीक है. Salma, आप देखें क्वेश्चन को देखें, स्कैनिंग है ये. All right. So those who are saying B, yes, B is correct. Okay. And Salma, you were saying A. So I think आप confuse कर रही हैं skimming and scanning को. All right.
No मैम, मुझे लगा ऊपर skimming है, नींद चल गई थी ना.
That is why I'm saying कि maybe your concept is clear, लेकिन आप question को confuse कर रही हैं. Now, what is skimming? Now tell me what is skimming. Write in the chat box. Out of these options, which one is correct? Okay, Salma is saying A, Ismail, Farooq is saying A, Shabana, Ishrat, Michelle. All right, I'm saving the chat box and I see how many of you participate. Because those students who just entered in the meeting and are just sleeping, Akil, all right, Tahira, Bakhtawar, Sumaira, all right, everybody is saying A, so just show the answer A. Well done, good job. Achha, by the way, your paper, KGH paper, you know, starting from 7th of June, please get ready for it because I'm not going to share any MCQs. और जो भी हमारी ऑनलाइन प्रैक्टिस हो रही है या जो सेशंस हो रहे हैं उसमें से पेपर बनेगा आपका. All right, looking through a Google search list is an example of skimming or scanning. Yes, Amjad, Ajmal, I will take your question. ये मुझे बताएं. Looking through a Google search list is an example of skimming or scanning. Scanning क्या है? Specific information, number, people, names, name of the organization, all right, specific information. And skimming, as you said, is finding the main idea. So जब हम Google search करते हैं या list किसी चीज की search करते हैं, so this is an example of A. Shumaila is saying A, a lot of other students are saying B. It is B. देखिए, dear students, Bakhtawar, Sumaira जो A कह रही हैं, please note that skimming is finding the main idea. All right, or scanning is finding the specific information. Specific information क्या होती है? आप मोबाइल फोन के लिस्ट में कॉन्टेक्ट में से किसी का नंबर सर्च कर रहे हैं, आप टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरी में से किसी का नंबर सर्च कर रहे हैं, आप गूगल में you go and you find the list of you know, Hollywood movies or something like that. One word information, that is scanning. So please clear your concepts. Looking through the meaning of a word in the dictionary is an example of, I think we have done it many times. Dictionaries, when you are finding a word, is the example of skimming or scanning. Michelle, Shumaila, Salma, Farooq. All right. Yes, it is scanning. You are right. Go to the next is looking through a magazine to check with articles. Okay, looking through a magazine to check what articles to read. Okay, आप एक magazine आपके हाथ में है and you are looking for the article कि आपको कौन सा article पढ़ना चाहिए. What is it? It is skimming or scanning. Shumaila is saying option A, Shabana option A, Farooq is saying skimming. All right. Exactly, it is skimming. All right. When you have a magazine in your hand, what do? Which article is to read, which not to read? You just move your eyes on the article and you see, okay, this is about social media. This is about this. This is about nursing. आपने heading देखी, आपने उसके first few lines देखी, and you say, okay, this interests me the most because it is relevant to my field. Okay, so it is called skimming. Scrolling through Instagram to use what's popular in an example of, yes. Scrolling through Instagram. आपके Instagram account है, आप उसको क्या करते हैं? You are just seeing the posts. Is it example of skimming or scanning? All right, skimming. All of you are saying skimming. Some are saying option B.
Skimming over.
This is skimming, exactly. Because remember, one word information is a specific information, that is skimming. All right. Looking where to buy Avengers movie in a magazine is an example of looking where to buy Avengers movie in a magazine. आप magazine में देख रहे हैं कि आपको you know, Avengers movie कहाँ से मिल सकती है? Place, you are searching for a place. Use your mind. Okay, Sabah, Shabana, Tahira, Shumaila. All right. Definitely, it is called scanning. Okay, you want to purchase something? आपको कोई चीज परचेज करनी है एंड नाउ यू वांट टू नो कि कहाँ से मिलेगी वो आपको, तो लिस्ट में से you are just seeing that this store is selling this and you can find this particular DVD from this place. So this is called scanning. All right, go to the next. Skimming is mostly used while reading a newspaper or magazine. Is it true or false? True or false? Right, T or F? True, true, true. All right. This is true. This is true. Okay. Because skimming is mostly used while reading a newspaper or magazine. You know, when we are reading a newspaper, what we are doing, we are just putting the glance on the headline that this happened and that happened. So what we are getting the general idea. Okay. This way we are getting the general idea. So that is why it is true. If you were reading a patient's case notes in order to gain a general overview of the patient, which reading strategy would be the most useful? Skimming or scanning? अगर आप किसी मरीज की केस स्टडी पढ़ रहे हैं, so that you can have a general overview of the patient, ताकि आपको उसकी हिस्ट्री पता चल सके, आपको एक जनरल आइडिया हो कि पेशेंट के बारे में. What reading strategy would be most useful? Skimming or scanning? Some are saying scanning, some are saying skimming, scanning. All right, okay. My dear, skimming. आपको ये वर्ड जनरल ओवरव्यू से ही समझ जाना चाहिए था, स्किमिंग. All right, आपके पास जब पेशेंट की हिस्ट्री आती है, all right, जो पूरी फाइल होती है, what do? You just put a glance over it and you find out to see what is basically the case, right? So this is, there you apply skimming technique. Looking for your flight number at the airport information board. This is very easy. We have already done it before. Looking for flight number. All right. Everybody is saying scanning, option B. Well done. This is correct. Okay. Searching. All right. This is Spotify for leave their song. This is nice. Challenging. Look at this. At what age did Tiger Woods first win the US Masters? आप इसको read करें and just tell me what is the right answer. 21 or 12? कितना easy है ये? I mean, you don't really need to read everything. आप skimming and scanning technique use करें. Move your eyes on the text and just in 1 second आपको answer मिल जाएगा. 12 or 21? Write in the chat box. 12 or 21? A. All right. 21. 12. Bakhtavar is saying 12. 21. All right. Of course, it is 21 because here it is 21 in the very first line, clearly written. Okay. So no need to go for further deep reading. अच्छा जी. Skimming technique include, अच्छा इसको भी छोड़ दें. Look at this.
मैम ये 12 वाला समझ नहीं आया क्या था?
Which one?
12 proper. 12.
ये वाला? ठीक है. आपने ये रीड करना है, ये पूरा टेक्स्ट आपने रीड करना है और उसमें से आपने जवाब देना है. At what age did Tiger Woods first win the US Masters? किस एज में टाइगर वुड्स ने अपना पहला मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया? When Tiger won the US Masters in 1997, he was only 21 years. So very first line आपको आंसर मिल रहा है when he was 21 years old. तो आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं, 21 या 12. तो आपका कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा?
ओके मैम. ए.
21 एग्जैक्टली. ये तो बहुत इजी था. ठीक है. ऑलराइट. नाउ रीड दिस. Read this. अब आपने क्या करना है? Skim this text in less than 5 seconds and choose the correct option. इस पैराग्राफ को रीड करें and just choose one option that this article is about what? A. All right. Hina is saying A. Ajmal is saying A, Shumaya is saying A. All right. Okay. A lot of the students are saying A. Good job, guys. Good job. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. So here this activity is finished. So I hope that you have had a good idea about skimming and scanning technique. All right. And let's do one more exercise. "26 students are here. Okay, all right. So let's do one more. We have already done that. Okay. So there are 8 questions and I would like you to please respond me. All right. So I hope that it is visible on the screen. All right. So let's begin. All right. So on which category will extensive and intensive reading fall? Extensive and intensive reading को आप किस category में fall करेंगे? Oral reading, Tahira? You know, oral reading means reading aloud. All right. Do you remember in the class we discussed that you will hardly see people, you know, at the bus stop, you know, in the library, at different places, especially you know in other parts of the world. हमारे यहाँ तो reading culture बहुत कम है. But when you see people in, you know, or even in the classroom, when if I ask you to just read this, so do you read with voice? I mean, do you read aloud? No, you do not read aloud. Okay. So those who are saying silent reading, let's click. Submit your answer. All right, correct. Your answer is correct. All right. This is called silent reading. Go to the next. Okay. Now, it is used to teach or practice specific reading strategies or skills. Yeah. What do you think? It is used to teach or practice specific reading and skills. आपको किस reading technique में specific reading पढ़ाई, you know, skills सिखाए जाते हैं? Remember in the class we discussed, मैंने आपको बड़ा detail में बताया था कि extensive reading is reading for pleasure, जिसमें आपका कोई test नहीं होता, कोई examination नहीं होता. All right. While intensive reading is related to your course, it is teachers recommended reading कि आप ये पढ़ें, आप ये reference books पढ़ें, आप ये text book पढ़ें. All right. Even the PPTs the teachers share is intensive, और उसी intensive reading से आपके papers होते हैं, आपका exam होता है. So that is of course intensive reading. ठीक है. Now submit. So you see कि आपकी memory बड़ी short है. You all have forgotten. All right. Go to the next. Sorry. Now tell me. It involves reading of large quantities of material directly or fluently. Which kind of reading
मैम
involves?
स्क्रीन पे क्वेश्चन शो नहीं हो रहा.
Are you sure?
यस मैम.
Chale, let me do it again. Is it okay now? Okay, your voice is breaking.
Yes,
I think you have internet
ma'am.
issue. Your voice is breaking. I think you have internet issue. That is why जिनका internet
नो
slow
मैम वो
होगा,
सलमा का है.
yeah, जिनका internet slow होगा उनको शायद screen का problem हो. All right. So what kind of reading involves large quantity? Large quantity. All right. So Bakhtavar, Shmaila, Farooq, everybody is saying extensive. Very nice, because extensive reading की कोई limitations नहीं है. You can read a novel, you can read a story, you can read a newspaper, you can read anything, you know. And extensive reading is reading for pleasure. This is your personal choice. It is not recommended by the teacher. ठीक है? Okay, this type of reading considers the text as an end itself. This type of reading considers the text as an end itself. Silent reading, oral reading, intensive or extensive. Whatever you understand, just write here. Salma is saying intensive. Some are saying silent. Varis is saying intensive. Many of, okay. So there is, you know, kind of a competition between silent and intensive reading. So what should we click? Let's click intensive reading. Okay, so the answer was intensive reading. Okay, because intensive reading की limitations है ना. आप जिस subject को पढ़ रहे हैं, you will read the component, you will read the content that is relevant to that. But extensive reading is you can read about sports, you can read about media, anything. This type of reading considers the text as a means to an end. You know, दोनों में difference था question में. थोड़ा सा further deeply सोचें that what does it say? This type of reading considers the text as a means, a means. Okay, Sumaira is saying extensive, Shumaila extensive, extensive, extensive. All right. So let's click extensive because very good. Good job. All right. Now, reading simply for pleasure or reading technical, scientific or professional material is called silent reading, oral reading, intensive reading or extensive reading. Reading simply for pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. So this word is a lot, you know, important for you. Majority of you are saying it is extensive. All right, so let's click. Very nice, you got it right. Okay, because the answer is extensive reading. Okay, so let's go to the next question. All right, using the normal voice in pronouncing or enunciating and emphasizing a word or a text, is it a kind of oral reading or silent reading? There are two options, or intensive reading or extensive reading. Okay. All right, so majority of you are saying as it is oral reading. So let's do it. Good job. Let's go to the final. These are reading techniques in extensive reading except one. Acha, extensive reading की, these are the techniques. All right, हम intensive and extensive वैसे दोनों में ही apply करते हैं the techniques, but which one of these is not, except one. You have to delete and you have to eliminate one technique that we don't use in both extensive and intensive reading. Okay, option D. All right, so all of you are saying choral reading. And by the way, you know what? Choral reading का meaning क्या होता है? Choral reading means reading with voice. Okay, so let's begin. Let me click choral reading and then submit. All right, very nice. And your score is 100 out of 100. Okay, so that was a great practice for you so that you understand what is extensive reading and what is intensive reading and skimming and scanning. All right, so we have discussed all 4 kinds of reading techniques, and I also taught you one more, that was analytical reading. We also talked about critical thinking. All right, so maybe in the next session we will talk about summary writing. I will share some of the links in the group so that you can practice. All right, fine. So that's it, I guess. Thank you so much. Ajmal, I want you to please unmute yourself. You wanted to ask something.
No, ma'am, I just say okay.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I just say okay.
All right. Well, I'm not getting you. But once again, let me tell you that आपका जो internal exam है, which is starting from 7th of June, please उसके लिए preparation करें. Go and check out all the PPTs that are uploaded on LMS. All right. Plus, those who are not attending the online classes, I really don't know what they are going to do. But this time, you know, I'm going to make the paper on my own. I'm not going to share any MCQs or anything. But online class में जो हम practice कर रहे हैं, that can be very, very beneficial for all those who are attending the online classes. So that definitely they will be benefited from it. And that's it. That's it. Please make sure that you are all preparing and studying hard for your examination. All right. If you don't have any questions, so we can call off the meeting. All done? All right. Thank you, Tahira. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. And I think that if before your internal examination, before 7, I don't know what will be the date. If we have chance, so we are going to, we will have another class. So एक और class हो जाएगी आपकी, so that will be, we can also discuss some more topics. All right. And meanwhile, you should start studying. देखिए आपके पास questions इसलिए नहीं होंगे क्योंकि आपने पढ़ना शुरू नहीं किया है. जब आप पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा ना कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. All right. So better start